Hello, everyone. My name is Professor Biddle. I teach at HAC, Harrisburg Area Community College. This video is going to describe how to access the CIS135 Intermediate Spreadsheet course. When you first log into My HAC, click on the bright space, which is often referred to as D2L, and you will open up to a page similar to what you're looking at. This is my course homepage for the spring of 2026. I want you to click on CIS 135 course, and it will take you to the home page. I have a very simple navigational bar across the top with just a few buttons that you will need through this course. The home page itself contains at the beginning this Start Here, which hopefully you've clicked this introduction video and are watching. There's some quick links here, but we'll go over that in a moment. After the first week of class, I move that Start feature down and bring up your news bulletin. And this is where I will be posting weekly updates on the class and a little bit of discussion about the topics that you're going to be covering that week. Off to the right, you'll see my picture, and this is where the content and help information is, including how you can contact me, if you need help with SimNet, if you need some bright space support, IT support, Learning Commons, if you need help with the virtual desktop, and also you can ask a librarian and they can also help you if you can't find the person to help you with one of those links. Below that, you will see something called due dates, and that is your calendar, which lists all the items that are due. So that's a very simple homepage. When you come into class, the majority of the time, you're going to click the content link, which is the second button here. The content is broken down into modules, and the modules are on the left-hand side. You can see it starts with Start Here, Welcome to CIS 135, and also then to Chapter 1, Chapter 2, and you can see the various due dates. I want to start here on CIS 135, and I'm going to make a change right now because we're no longer doing that discussion. Okay. In this welcome, here is an overview of Welcome to CIS 135. Here is the video that you are watching right now. You have the syllabus. You have a summary of the schedule of activities with their due dates. And the last item is where if you do not have the Office 365, which you will need to get Excel, you can get that free as a HAC student following these instructions. We are using a software called SimNet. It's very simple. It works with most computers, but there are a few requirements and browser settings. So please click this link and it will check your computer and tell you what you need to fix or what you need to update in order to make sure SimNet is working. I have an overview of SimNet that you can read these information and also watch the video on how you download and upload the project files, which you will be doing twice, 2 projects in every module. So if you have trouble uploading or downloading files, please watch that video. Mac and Chromebook users have a different perspective than a PC. So I've tried to provide some advanced features for Excel for a Mac, how to use your control keys in the Mac, some items that you won't have the features, so you're going to then have to use, and a Chromebook too, you're going to have to use the virtual desktop. And here is a document as to how you log into the virtual desktop and access it. And here's a video that shows you how. Using a virtual desktop will take your Mac or your Chromebook and convert it to a PC so that way you don't need to locate a PC. You work everything through the virtual desktop. I also have the help feature listed down here as well as on the home page. And here's a quick checklist. Okay. Next, I want to just take you to the very next first module, and they're all set up the same way. Each module opens up on a Monday, and the assignments are due the following Tuesday. There's an overview that shows you the learning outcomes and the objectives of the course. There's a PowerPoint for you to read. There are videos that feature the key aspects and key skills for this module. Many of them are my own videos to do that I created, so please watch those. And then the next section is activities. These are the 4 activities that you need to complete in order to earn grades towards your points. So you can see that when they begin, when they're due, okay, and when there's an end date. So you'll be doing a sim book, you'll be doing a sim path, you'll be doing a guided project and an independent project for each of the modules. Now, in addition to the chapters, you will also have a midterm project and discussion, a student loan project and discussion, and a final comprehensive project. That is the content of the course. If I go back up to your nav button, you can see we have email, and you can email me or email another student. There are discussion postings. If you have questions, just a miscellaneous question, please post it here. If you have questions on chapters 1, 2, 3, add them here. When we get to the midterm and student loan, these are specific questions that you need to answer, and you'll post it there. Those are graded. But any other time, if you have a question, find one of these groupings in order to post that question. And I prefer that you do post the question there, because most of the time your question is also a question another student has. And if I answer it to you, it's also answering it to all students. Lastly, next on the navigational bar is class list, and this lists all your classmates. Grades is a very important link on the nav bar. It lists every single item in which you're going to earn a grade. If you see a 0 out of 10, that means you did not complete that assignment. So go back and work on it. So constantly look at your grades to make sure they are being updated. We have a couple assignments that you're going to drop an assignment and a file in, and I am going to manually grade it. And that is the midterm project, a student loan project, and a project for chapter 11. There's also going to be a screenshot for you to get extra credit to do the course evaluation. That is CIS. I'm just going to go back to your homepage. That is CIS135 course as an overview. I look forward to working with you this semester. Please don't hesitate to reach out to me via email or on the discussion board with any questions. Have a great semester.